American style. So close, we start in this position, put your arm here if you don't use it. Now give me a little pressure so you can feel me. Now from here, close your ankles. Remember how I show you? Very good. Now you're gonna brush your foot to the side. That's how you're gonna step. You see with the pressure, like you press down. Imagine you're dancing on the sand. You take your foot down. You're stepping aside, then you bring your foot in together. And now you change weight, change weight, change weight, and now from here, brush, you're gonna go back, back. Now you brush, bring your feet together, you go side, together, brush your foot in, now change weight, as you already know how to do with the brushing, and now step forward, slow. So that's called box step. Basics, no, keep your leg behind, yeah, don't bring your leg, keep your leg behind. Yes, keep your leg behind. Step forward. Put your weight forward, put your weight forward, leave the leg behind, leave this leg behind like this. You see how you're on the forward? Collect, and now we're gonna go side, box step. We go side, quick, together. Quick, we're gonna change weight and go back slow. Slow, you're gonna stop here, that's a slow, that's your position, beautiful. So you show a beautiful line, this leg straight, this leg straight, beautiful toe. Now, by touching your foot, brushing your foot to the floor, you're gonna collect your feet, you're gonna step side. Quick, collect together, excellent. Quick, and go forward to me, slow, excellent. Now let's go together a little bit faster. Quick, quick, back, slow, and quick, quick, and slow. So you step side, together, back, and side, together, front. Always number one for you, keep your feet touching the floor. That's the key. So you don't want to lift your feet, you want, take a look how I do it. You see, I brush my feet to the floor, slow, quick, and that's create a connection, more groundness, more beautiful leg action, foot action. Instead of going this way. That's how we're gonna turn away this way. Close your feet. Yes. Now we're gonna dance together. So this arm's going to far. So you have a little bit connection here, a little bit pressure here, like you're moving towards me. Give me a little pressure. We're gonna do back step together. We go side, together, back, chest up, side, together, front. Yes, almost there. Yeah. Side, together, change weight. Back, side, together, change weight. Front. And really stay connected to me all the time. Leave this leg behind for now. Very good. Stay connected. Give me a pressure. Very good. And quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, slow. The same, quick, quick, slow. Dancing back step, quick, quick, slow. Beautiful. Quick, quick, slow, quick, and slow. This is the back step. Quick, quick, slow. So you go side, together, front, side, together, back, side, together, front, side. Yeah, and try to, because your shoulders are a little bit this way, try to have your shoulders parallel to you. So not this way, and just stay parallel. So you stay in front of each other. Excellent. And go quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow. Beautiful. Quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, and slow. Very good. American Rumba. With this style, let's try the music. Get ready.